How's that for awesome? And that's super cool. How's it going, team? It's my weekend, and as you all know, that means bought coffee weekend. So we'll whip up to the airport a bit later on and grab a coffee there. So laundry's on this morning, getting into it nice and early. Coffee's on the go, which is good. We are going to race uptown and get this shambles sorted out, and then pick up some beef for stew weekend. Yeah, humorous or not so humorous, costly story. Picked up some sausages because there was no beef yesterday. Picked up some sausages in the morning, kept them at work, came home pretty late last night after work, put the sausages right there, did some stuff, went to bed, woke up to some very lukewarm sausages on the counter. So they are now in the bin. So this morning is haircut time, and then we're going to pick up some beef, do a bit of housework in here because it's going to be raining from about 10:30 onwards. It's about 8 o'clock at the moment. So that'll give me a chance to do that and just kick back and relax because it's felt like a long week. Then on Monday, which is tomorrow, the weather's meant to be a little bit better, so we'll try and get out and capture something on film. I'm not sure. It's meant to be sunny, but I don't know. The way it's looking at the moment, I don't know. So we'll see. But there's a couple of places around that I want to have a walk through. But I always like to be careful where I film in different towns. So we'll see if we can pull out the camera. There's a park that I want to go to, which has a couple of little sort of geothermal spots in it. So we'll see how that looks on Monday morning and check that out. If not, maybe we find something else to do. So yeah, awesome. But yeah, thanks for following along, team. We'll see what we can get done this morning. Nice one. Alright folks, we're back from haircut time, as you can see. We'll see it a bit better later. It's way shorter than I'm used to, but there we go. So on our drive, although I thought I had tested the second bar that went up the top, disaster struck, and there it is there. So we're going to have to do something just to hold it up there a little bit better, but that's alright. We did get coffee and scone from the airport, which is cool, and beef is in there. So things are looking up. So yeah, nice. Alright, we're here. We are here. And I can hear waterfall. So we're going to go and see if we can see the waterfall. Got a bit of that. Nice. Alright. I think that is what we want. Maybe. Always clearing my throat on film. Oh, that looks really cool. Yeah, that's really pretty. Man, that's stunning, isn't it? I think I might have to get down closer. Let's do it, eh? That's super cool. Alright, we're getting closer. Sweet. So, of course, downhill now means uphill a bit later. That's alright, eh? Definitely sounds cool. You can kind of see it through there. No doubt you'll hear me breathing heavy on this one. Oh, sweet. How's that for awesome? And that's super cool. Not sure which way to go. Not that way. How's that? That's awesome. So back up. Just had to have another look, eh? It's just so cool. Man, I'd love to get down to that bit. That'd be really cool, but it doesn't look like it can be done. But I will have a look sort of over that way. Found a little path here, so we'll give that a try, eh? This one. Alright. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a winner. And what does this one say? Oh, yeah, sweet. Slippery. And it kind of licks it, so I'm just going to turn it off. Wow, holy crap. Isn't that a grunty bit of water? Man. Isn't that stunning? That's beautiful, eh? Man, I could look at this all week. Too cool. And time to go back up. Might as well try this one as well. No, that's a no. So now that we've gone to the falls and had a look around, which was so awesome, it is definitely time for a bought coffee, because it's bought coffee weekend. Sweet, right, it is coffee time. Good angle on the camera there, wasn't it? It was pretty sweet. So this is the Rotorua Airport. Goodness knows if I'm allowed to film in here. Who knows? But let's find out.
Please take your ticket with you and pay the auto pay before it's due.
Nice one.